Okay, so let me begin from this point where uh, Ranji has dived to show the other boy how he can also think about the same. Ranji dissolved into laughter. Why so? Because the other boy, the warrior, stood up stiff and straight, stretched out his arms, and threw himself into the water. He landed flat on his belly with a crash that sent the birds screaming out of the trees. Are you trying to empty the pool? He asked, as the warrior came to the surface, spouting water like a small whale. Wasn't it good? Asked the boy, evidently proud of his feat. Not very good, said Ranji. You should have more practice. See, I will do it again. And pulling himself up on the rock, he executed another perfect dive. The other boy waited for him to come up, but swimming under water, Ranji circled him and came upon him from behind. How did you do that? Asked the astonished youth. Can't you swim under water? Asked Ranji. No, but I will try it. The warrior made a tremendous effort to plunge to the bottom of the pool, and indeed he thought he had gone right down, though his bottom, like a duck's, remained above surface. Ranji, however, did not discourage him. It was not bad, but you need a lot of practice. Will you teach me? You must teach me. Asked his enemy, if you like, I will teach you. You must teach me. If you do not teach me, I will beat you. I will beat you. Will you come here every day and teach me? If you like, said Ranji. They had pulled themselves out of the water and were sitting side by side on a smooth grey rock. My name is Suraj, said the warrior. What is yours? It is Ranji. I'm strong, am I not? Asked Suraj, bending his arm so that a ball of muscle stood up, stretching the white of his flesh. You are strong. You are a real Pehlwan. One day I'll be the world's champion wrestler, said Suraj, slapping his thighs, which shook with the impact of his hand. He looked critically at Ranji's hard, thin body. You are quite strong. Do not, you're quite strong yourself. He conceded, but you are too bony. I know. You people do not eat enough. You must you must come and have your food with me. Who invited whom? Suraj to Ranji. I drink one seer of milk every day. We have got our own cow. Find out the meaning of this. Same as sir. Same as sir. A unit of weight used previously in India. All right. So, um, we are discussing about SEER word, Kshitij. है ना? So, he's telling that I drink one seer of milk every day. We have got our own cow. Be my Be my friend, and I will make you a pehlwan like me. I know. If you teach me to dive and swim underwater, I will make you a pehlwan. That is fair, isn't it? That is fair, said Ranji, though he doubted if he was getting the better of the exchange. Suraj put his arms around the younger boy and said, we are friends now, yes. They looked at each other with honest, unflinching eyes, and in that moment, love and understanding were born. We are friends, said Ranji. The birds had settled again in their branches, and the pool was quiet and limpid in the shade of the sal trees. Limpid, check out. Limpid, limpid. All right, what can be the synonym? Now you look up the dictionary.
नीचे लिखा है ऊपर लिखा है
It is our pool, said Suraj. Nobody else can come here without our permission. Who? Okay, thank you. Who would come here without our permission? Who would dare? Who would dare? Smiling with the knowledge that he had won the day. Okay. So that is how the chapter has reached its end, and it's time to take up the question and answers. What is it that Ranji finds difficult to explain at home? Probably mentioned in the beginning of the chapter. Hmm. Correct. He had developed some bruises and he did not want to reveal the same to his parents, right? So that was the hard part. Ranji sees his adversary in the bazaar. Adversary means opponent. No? In the bazaar market, what does he wish to do? What does he wish to do? So refer back to the text. What were the feelings that the writer has elaborated? Ruskin Bond has beautifully presented a story of a rookie and a boy. Huh? They both spoiled, scold each other. All right. So what else? What was the both were not ready to put down the guns. They both had strong plans to continue the fight, right? What does he actually do and why? And what actually happened? Now here, one by one. Again, they throw challenges and counter challenges. But yeah, the second threw the lemonade bottle at his enemy. His first impulse was to turn away. So here, his first impulse was to turn away and look elsewhere. His second दूसरा क्या ख्याल आ रहा था उनको? To throw the lemonade bottle at his enemy. And what is the location? It is the bazaar. But did they actually interact with each other? No. They only shared the body languages. No conversation as such. But he did neither of these things. Instead, he stood his ground and scowled passing adversary, and the warrior said nothing either but scowled back with equal ferocity. The next day was as hot as the previous one. So they were actually scowling. In reality, they were actually scowling at each other and didn't do anything. The next day was as hot as the previous one. Ranji felt weak and lazy and not at all eager for a fight. His body was stiff and sore. What do you mean by so, Ari? Full, huh? थका हुआ? No. If you start exercising rigorously and then your muscles pull up and then you feel so much happiness every night and every day, so the muscles become sore, है ना? Us- Swollen. Why all of a sudden the muscle will swell? Where is yours? Let me see. uh, SORE people, online people are busy, they can also speak. Exactly. So how that thing is painful, aching, ache, ailing.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of discourage? I'm physically painful and sensitive.
SORE stands for physically painful and sensitive. So when I exert too much, say I have joined a new membership of some club, you know, and in one day only and in 2 days only, I want to have a six pack abs. Is it possible? No. And what will I end up with? I will end up with putting myself to such an exerting moment that I may get some bruises, I may get some swollen legs, I may get some sore calf muscles, and maybe the muscles of the entire body. है ना? So I may be on 1 week leave, and then my students will enjoy it to the most. I know, I know. This is your plan. You are encouraging me to, मैम, you join. हाँ जी, आपने पूछा discourage का मतलब. Discourage का what is the synonym for discourage? May I know your name, dear? Rajneesh, is it you? हाँ रजनीश. हाँ आपने पूछा ना डिस्करेज का मतलब. हम्म. डिस्करेज मीन्स
Discourage means to deter,
टू
dishearten.
To dishearten someone. Yes, to discourage somebody. है ना? Discourage का मतलब to not support, to make him feel bad. These are the phrases. But if I ask about one word, so disheartened हो जाना और to upset someone, है ना? Deter, to deter also. DETER. Yes, Ravikant? Spelling of deter. DETER. ठीक है? Okay, thank you, Rajnish. Have you understood the story? Now the next question says that why did he return to the pool when he was actually not in a mood to fight? It is easy treading water. Wait. Refer back to the text. How can you say? If he would not have turned up, what the other person would have thought? That he's a coward, timid boy, he ran away, right? And both were exactly feeling the same at the same moment. So, to show each other that I'm not fearful of you, right? And I'm here for the fight. Come this side and fight, he shouted back with equal vigor. Swim across and fight me here, called the other, or perhaps you cannot swim the length of the pool. But Ranji could have swum the length of the pool a dozen times without tiring, and here he would show the warrior his superiority. So, slipping out of his waist, he dived straight into the water. No, actually, but I suppose the same answer. Anybody from your end? Third one, Kushal Pandey. I'm saying the third answer. What can you people write in the third answer? Is there any different? Equally promote the fight, and Ranji is not at all eager for a second fight. देखो ये statement दे दिया है ना कि ये था. He was actually not eager to take up the fight. Why does he go back to the pool then? To show that he is not afraid of the other. He also carries courage. है ना? Right. Now fourth one. Who was the better swimmer? How do you know it? You can do this. Can cite the answer as well. Quote the answer. What surprises the warrior that being so thin and he's coming from a city side, how does he know the swimming part? That amazed him, right? Now that they are at the pool, why don't they continue the fight? Okay, yeah, you may say who's this? Kshitij? निष्कर्ष बताइए आंसर बताइए बेटा say the answer I'm waiting कौन है the question is question number 6th है ना you can read the question from the book I hope so yeah correct so this way you people can do the question and answers ठीक है rest is for homework this is all for today ठीक है and I shall be continuing the next chapter. I'll check out the UT2 syllabus first if there are some more literature and supplementary reader chapters left for the syllabus. So I'll take up that, and then in the last, I'll take up grammar and writing. ठीक है जी?